Hold the end of your yarn and wrap it around the needle and over the yarn. Pull it slightly snug. Wrap the yarn around your little finger, over your ring finger, under your middle finger, and over your pointer finger so it looks like this. Hold on to the end of your yarn. Insert your knitting needle through the loop. Wrap the yarn around your working needle. Pull the yarn through the loop, twist it slightly, split the loop, and place it on your non-working needle. Wrap the yarn around your needle. Pull it through the loop, twist it slightly, split the loop, and pull it tight. Wrap the yarn around your needle, pull it through the loop, twist it slightly, split the loop, place it on your non-working needle, and pull it tight. Keep doing this until you have the correct amount of cast-on stitches for the pattern that you're making. If while you cast on stitches you notice that it is squeaking, your tension is too tight and you're pulling on the yarn too hard. You're going to have to ease off a little bit. For this sample, I am casting on 10 stitches. Always make sure to double check that you've cast on the correct amount of stitches.